Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I'm so excited. We are going to be doing a Miss Lola shoe haul. You guys want to know what is in this big box, and just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love for you guys to join my family, and let's go ahead and get started with the shoe haul. Alright guys, as usual, I have not opened up this box yet at all, but I do have my little blade ready. I like to give you guys what my first impressions are. I couldn't hardly wait to get this freaking box, you guys. I was like tracking my order every single day. Literally was. I needed some really nice cute spring shoes to go along with my outfits. You know, just like everyday work casual shoes. So I came across this website or their page through Instagram, and you guys, I cannot tell you, their aesthetic is so freaking cute. Like, I will post it somewhere right here for you guys to see what their Instagram page looks like. But man, that's what really sold me. Honestly, the aesthetic of their Instagram page got me. It really got me. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started and begin. Now this is what the box looks like, and has this really nice, okay, let's start off with this. Okay, so I ordered 2 different anklets because I saw that all of the pictures, the girls had these really nice anklets, and it just freaking sold me. Honestly, that's what it was. It honestly sold me. Let's open this up. This is what this looks like. Oh my god, it looks really nice, like a very nice quality. I'm not sure if you guys could really see it on here, but I will be posting the actual picture of this anklet down here on this side for you guys to see. You guys will get a better image of it. So this one was the first one that I ordered, was an anklet. Okay guys, so the next pair of shoes that I am pulling out are these. They are packaged like this, and it has like this really nice dusty bag on it. Let's take out all of this stuffing. Oh my god, you guys, so the next pair of shoes look like this. Oh my god, I actually really like these a lot. This is my first time ever buying like snake print shoes because I don't like snakes. I don't like people that are snakes. I'm just kidding. Okay, I just do not like snakes at all, just in general, but I see that this snake print is kind of like a trend. It's so freaking cute. It's a really nice platform shoe. And this right here is like foam, and it just like wraps around your ankle, like so freaking cute. I cannot wait to use these. Again, I will be posting the picture right over here on the side for you guys to look at. Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited to put these to use and like style them. All right, next we're gonna move on. We are gonna move on to this pair here. I am so into the bling at the moment, and I just thought that I needed like a really cute pair of like blinged out sandals that would go with everything. And these were the ones I picked out. They are super cute slip-ons. They have 4 little straps on them. They're super blinged out, and they are in the color nude. I think they would go with everything. You can dress them up and dress them down. So freaking cute. Oh my god, I can't wait. I cannot wait to put those all to use. All right, these came in a little bit packaged a little bit different than the other ones. These actually have a Miss Lola like dust bag to them, which is so cute. I will not be using the dust bags. I'll probably use them for something else, but the other ones didn't. They kind of came in the packaging a little bit different. Anyhow, the next pair of shoes that I picked out were these right here. Oh my god, they are so freaking cute. I have to have some bright color to my wardrobe. That's just part of me. I love bright, vibrant, bold colors, and this is what they look like. They are some slip-on sandals, and they have 2 straps with the nice detail on it is the buckle. That's what makes them look pretty unique. So freaking cute. I can't with this. This is so freaking cute. Oh my god, I cannot wait to put them all to use. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, so I'm sorry if I annoy you. All right, next pair of shoes. Oh yeah, I remember I ordered these now. I kind of forgot what I ordered, but I do remember eyeing these. And guys, when you see something that you really like from their website, order it in that moment, because if you wait and go back in, they're gonna be sold out. Your sizes sell out so quick. So this was the next pair of shoes that I ordered, and they are a really nice platform, strappy. It's more of like a sporty sandal, like for those casual days, or even if you're wearing like biker shorts and like a t-shirt, you could wear these and they would look so freaking cute. This is what it looks like. Here's both of them. So freaking cute, and they seem like really nice. The quality seems really nice. They don't look like they're that cheapy. They're really nice quality. All right, the next pair that I got kind of looks like this. I am so into like the animal print. I don't know if it's a spring thing or, well, we are going into summer, but animal print has been in. Oh my god, these are so cute. They are these really cute, nice platform sandals. So cute. You can dress them up and dress them down. This is what they look like. All right. Okay, now coming out of the box, we also did order another anklet. So I ordered an anklet for each one of my feet. This one was the other one. It is so cute. The quality of them look very nice. And we also did get this pair right here, another printed one with the cheetah print, and I love how it has like this detail where it's like braided. It's so freaking cute, guys. I cannot wait to use all of these freaking sandals and like break them in and style them. Oh my god, it just excites me. I just have a shoe thing ever since I worked at Payless. I've always been a Payless girl, but since Payless shut down, I had to go elsewhere, and I came across this, and I will be ordering so much more from this boutique. Next pair looks like this. They are so freaking cute. Look at all the little embellishments that it has. It has like really cute diamonds on there. They're nice and padded, and they have like studs on the side. So freaking cute and blinged out. Okay guys, this is all for my shoe haul. I am gonna be trying these items on. Hopefully they fit good, and I'll let you guys know what my thoughts are. Aside from the Miss Lola shoe haul that I have, I actually did go to my local Ross, and I thought I should add these to the video. I actually ended up picking this really cute pair of like mustard yellow wedges, and they have like the little espadrille detail. So I thought I should just throw this in here because it's also a new shoe to my collection. And these are from Ross. They were $18.99. We're now gonna move on to the try on stage of the shoe. So here's the first pair that I am wearing, guys. I absolutely love this pair. I have worn this one already to work. I did my full 9-hour shift, and they are so comfortable, super lightweight. I love the fact that you can adjust the straps if you have wider or skinny feet, so you can adjust it to your comfort. And I know that they're sold out at the moment, but make sure that you guys do sign up for those emails. They will notify you when they are back in stock. Yeah, so cute and super comfortable. So here we are, we're trying out the next pair of shoes. I am trying on these cheetah print shoes, and they have the really nice detail in the front. It is nice and braided. It has the cheetah strap, and the strap was a little bit loose around my foot, but no biggie. I mean, they are still really nice and comfortable, and so cute and stylish for spring and fall. You can dress them up and dress them down, and they are super comfy. Absolutely love these. All right guys, so the next pair of shoes are gonna be these right here. This is what they look like. I really wanted to pick these up in the yellow, like the mustard yellow, but they were sold out, so I ended up getting the orange ones. I think they're still so super cute. I love the detail because it has like the little buckles on the side. They are so cute. The same thing, they're nice and comfortable. They are padded on the inside. Haven't worn these, I still have to break them in, but the size fits just fine. It's like perfect. It's like the perfect fit. So we're gonna go ahead and move on to the next pair of shoes. Okay guys, so this is the next pair of shoes, and these have the extra bling on them. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'll try to zoom in. But they do have the bling on it. Once you are outside in the sunshine, they are super blinding. Again, I have worn these to work. They're super comfortable. Like the comfort is there. I feel like, I don't know if my feet are too skinny, but the straps around my feet, they are a little bit loose, but not that bad. They're still very comfortable. I like these shoes because you can like wear them to like if you have a wedding or quinceañera or something like that and the baile starts, you know, you take off your heels, but you can throw these on and your outfit is still cute because they add that extra glam to it because of the bling bling. But I'm gonna go outside to show you guys what they actually look like on the sunshine because inside the house there is just no justice. But they are so cute. Again, super comfortable. And yeah, let's go outside. And this is what the pair of shoes look like once you are outdoors. Look how freaking cute they are. They are so full of bling. They are literally like blinding. So cute. Highly recommend them. Keep it moving with the bling, guys. So here is the next pair of shoes. They have these really cute embellishments on there. They are full of bling once they are out on the sunshine. I will take you guys outdoors in a moment. So they're so cute, super comfortable, nice and padded, true to size. Highly recommend them. I think they are so freaking cute. Love. Okay, let's go outdoors. So this is what this pair of sandals looks like once it's outdoors. It's so cute, nice and blinged out. I highly recommend it and it's super comfy as well. Okay guys, so the next pair of shoes are gonna be these right here. They are so freaking cute and comfortable. So they are nice and strappy. They have like a little baby wedge to them and they have the little cute cheetah print across as well. They are so cute and very comfy and can't wait to wear these. I have not used these, but they do look like they are true to size. They fit true to size and the straps are nice and comfy. Yes, super cute. Absolutely love these as well. Guys, and this is the last pair from Miss Lola. They are these really cute snake platforms. They are so lightweight. They are so comfortable and I love the detail in the back. It has a nice like really crisscross and then they have the nice hardware buckle on the side. Oh my god, I've never had any like snake print shoes. I'm kind of excited to come up with an outfit to wear these out, but they're so cute, super comfy. I cannot wait to wear these out. And we're gonna move on to the last pair of shoes, which are my Ross shoes. Guys, and this is the last pair of shoes that I picked up. These are from Ross. Just thought I should throw them in here because I need me some bright yellow shoes. So these are the ones that I found at Ross. They're really cute. They're really comfortable little wedges. And that's gonna be it for today's shoe haul. Let's wrap it all up. Guys, so this is my whole overview of my shoe haul from the Miss Lola. I hope that you guys liked this video. I hope it gave you guys an idea of what they feel like and like quality wise before you guys order. I hope this video was informative for you guys. I do highly recommend them. All their shoes were extremely comfortable and they did run true to size. I had no issue at all. I will be keeping all of my shoes. I will not be returning them. So I hope that you guys like this video. Please make sure to give your girl a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Which pair was your favorite? If you have ever ordered from them, leave me a comment down below. And of course, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.